1 minute. Turn around. So pretty. Turn the oven up just to get the skin crisp. So give about 10 to 15 seconds to crisp up the skin there. And turn it around now. Let's give this a try. Ooh. I fancied some chili olive oil on this. Let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. That works. That skin just made me want to put some hot chili, spicy olive oil on it. And it's cooked well. Again, the Sizzler pan is really good for cooking fish. It's really nice. And easy to do. I did put a lot of chili olive oil on here, and it is a strong oil. It's like a slightly hot oil, but it doesn't overpower the taste of this fish. This chili is nice with the snapper. I'll just show you this side. I just love the colour of this skin on the red snapper. Turn it around the other way. This is the part that was at the bottom of the pan. This was touching the Sizzler pan. It's got a lovely crispy bottom to that. That bit was touching the Sizzler pan. As you can see, it's got a lovely colour to it. So this is very nice, very tasty, and it's delicious with the chili infused olive oil. It tastes delicious with this, and it sort of goes with it as well because it looks like it needs some hot spicy accompaniment. Very nice.